Eucalyptus bunting. I had an art workshop this afternoon that cancelled, so I'm going to show you how to make the thing instead. Brown paper, red paper, and some sort of green paper. Also need some string and, optional, some wooden beads, but that's not fully necessary. So for each gum nut, you want to cut 2 of these gum nut shapes out of the brown paper. I drew the shape on there first, so I knew exactly where I needed to cut. You'll also need 2 rectangles of red paper, and each of those needs to be cut into a fringe pattern. We're then going to glue that red rectangle onto the gum nut and glue the other one on there too. And then we add the second gum nut on top, and that sort of seals it in and makes it look a little bit pretty. We're then going to use a yellow paint pen or any sort of yellow paint to add the pollen on the ends of those red bits. And then we're going to scrunch those red bits a little bit. It just gives it a bit more 3D effect, and add a hole punch up the top. We're then going to cut out a couple of leaves. So again, I drew the shape onto the paper so I knew exactly where I was going to cut, and give that one a hole punch as well. Then we're going to thread everything onto the string. So I went 2 leaves, and then a gum nut, and then a bead. Then you keep repeating that until you have about 5 gum nuts and 12 leaves, and then add a little beadie on the end just to make everything stay on there. And there she is. So these are relatively simple shapes, but I did create a template because I was going to do it with a bunch of people. So if you would like the template, let me know and I'll share it with you.